Today in this video I show you how to use Microsoft Copilot. For this you have to open Chrome browser. Now click on search bar and search Copilot. Open this website. Now you can use Copilot like any other AI platform. You can use Copilot to help with coding, give us suggestions and sort out problems. All you have to do is type what you want to ask Copilot and click on this icon or enter key on your keyboard. Now you can see it will give answers like this. Now you can go to conversation and check out all the chats you have with Copilot. If you click on three dots on the chat, then you can rename your chat, type whatever you want and press enter. Now you can also invite others on your chat. Click on send a copy to share conversation with your friends. You can also make a summary of your chat and delete the chat whenever you want. Now if you want to start a new chat, then click on this icon, and to hide this sidebar, tap on close sidebar icon. You also have option like discover, in which you can discover news, stories and ideas. If you click on imagine and select any style you like, then you can get the prompt for generating your image like this. Now if you add your image by this pin icon and type the text to make your image in that style, then Copilot will generate your image in the style you selected. You can go to your Copilot account and change settings like voice, language and theme. You also have library option, in which you will find all the images generated by Copilot. So this is how you can use Microsoft Copilot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.